Before you replace the water filter in your refrigerator, make sure the ice maker is turned off. Push the end of the old filter in to detach it from the housing. Install the new water filter by aligning it in the housing, then push firmly until the filter locks into place. Fill a glass with water to clear any air from the water line, and check for leaks in the filter housing. Continue flushing the system for about 4 minutes and turn the ice maker back on.
You can purchase this filter at a cheaper price at filterforfridge.com. Come check us out.